Magandang hapon po ng Monday, February 24, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, February 24, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 24, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 24, 2025 Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, February 24, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, February 24, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.